guys, how's it? Hey, I just wanted to do a quick intro video to my YouTube channel, Dmac Kustoms. Sounds like a big flash custom car building shop, but it's not really. It's just my garage and me, and it's not very big. What I want to do with these videos is just create a bit of a timeline of the work I've been doing on the 51 and other projects that I sort of take on in my hobby, which is playing cars and drawing pictures. So we might even do a few sort of airbrush and pinstripe videos that do a little bit of that as well. So if you want to see some more of the progress on the 51, also there's a few projects I've got to do on my 46 as well. Make sure you hit the subscribe button somewhere on the screen and click the little bell thing, because that's for I think notifications. So if you want to get a notification of when a new videos come up on the channel, you hopefully will get that. I've tried it, but I don't seem to get any notifications on anything else. But yeah, and if you've got any questions or comments down below, you can do that. It's pretty straightforward, I think. And hopefully we'll see you soon. Cheers.